Hello and welcome to my beauty space. Today I'll be talking you through how to get this easy bronze eyeshadow look. I'm starting off with the Morphe 35T palette. You don't have to have this palette, you can use whatever you have on hand. It's mostly just taupe shades. So I'm taking the lightest of the matte shades inside the palette and I'm just sweeping it across the lid, focusing it more in the crease and then blending it outward as I get to the end. I'm using a fluffy blending brush for light application. Going in with the same brush and a slightly darker shade, I'm going to be going directly over the first shade we applied and just blending over, trying to deepen and intensify this color. Once most of the color is off and onto the lid, I like to take my brush and slightly pull it towards my temple. This will elongate the eye look. Now going in with a darker cool tone brown shade, and I'm going to be applying that with a smaller blending brush into the crease, and I want to be more precise with this, so I'm not buffing and blending upward or downward, I'm just staying right in the middle. Now you can already see the definition that it's creating in the eye. It's making my lid look and appear a lot bigger than it actually is since I do have hooded eyes. Taking an even cooler tone brown, and I'm taking that with the same small blending brush. I'm applying it to the crease, but trying to focus on staying towards the outer part of the eye. So as you can tell, these steps are very repetitive. You're just going in and deepening every time with the darker shade, but you're using the same exact technique. Now taking the darkest shade that we'll be using, and I'm only applying that to the outer part of the eye. I'm placing it, like patting it on, and then I'm flicking it inward towards the lid. Taking this warm brown shade, it has like gold reflex in it. I don't know if it's picking up on camera, but I'm just applying that to the outer portion of the lid and then blending it inward. Taking the shimmery taupe shade, I'm applying that to the inner portion of the lid. Taking a light shimmery shade to the brow bone from the BH Cosmetics palette. I'm also taking a light bronze shade on top of the lid color just to brighten it up. And I'm back with the full face. Going in with these three shades that we started off with combined, and I'm going to be just brushing them along the lower lash line. Applying the same shade that's on the brow bone into the inner corners. And that is the finished eye look. I hope this look was easy to follow along with. I hope you all enjoyed. If you did like it, like and comment below. Let me know what you'd like to see next. Thank you for watching.